So hello there. In this video I'm going to show that what I did with this Windows XP machine. This is just a very ordinary Windows XP machine with lots of games to to relieve nostalgia and stuff. I got some games over there. You can see on that shelf. So it is really neat. However, I want to use this computer for internet, not just for gaming. But Windows XP is very vulnerable, so I just want to use some nostalgia internet. You can see it that it loaded the legacy update which I installed, but there is the internet source which I show you, because this provides internet, this laptop. But how? So it receives the internet via this USB dongle, and so here is my router, and the router provides the internet, which is of course connected to another router, which is provided by the ISP, but that's at a different place. Yeah, going back to my PC or laptop. So this laptop is actually acting as a firewall. In a separate video, I'm going to show you how this is set up, and you can see that it is not logged into anything because, yeah, it's just very simple Ubuntu server. And this server is connected to via Ethernet cable to the computer down below, which is right there. So you can see that the cables are connected. Now you can see that this is the keyboard that I'm using, and there is this Molive Airlines mouse mat, which is really neat. And yeah, so I can use this legacy update to install actual updates that were released back in the days. So yeah, I just can install them, but right now this is not my purpose. But I want to open a different window because I'm going to show you a secret. Because this is in German, I'm going to just show you what to click on. So if you go to extras, and there is a options, internet options, settings, I don't know how it's in English. So I just go to the connections. It's in English, it's connections. And there is the LAN settings, or LAN-Einstellungen, because it's in German. And there is the proxy server. I'm going to just click on the tick mark, and then here is the address, wayback.protoweb.org, and there is the port which I'm going to use, 7851. Hit OK, OK, and then just going to write that inode.com, which will, of course, brings us the retro web. So you can see that it loaded for us, and let's just select something, for example, Epic Mega Games. And there you go. So yeah, let's just jump into the Linux video, which explains that how this works. Okay, so let me explain what you can see here on the Linux. So this is the Ubuntu's 26.04 machine, and you can see that this is running pretty much with a very bad use of memory, just 15% used, and the UFW, which I use for the web firewall, uses basically very simple setting. The incoming traffic is instantly blocked. The outgoing traffic is of course allowed, and of course the reply packet is of course allowed, and it is disabled, means it is rooted. It means that I have connected via the LAN cable, which I use actually as a WAN cable from the laptop, because it provides the internet outgoing from the laptop to the computer, which of course I showed in the video. But also I allow the using the SSH port, because otherwise I can't access this console. But yeah, I just used to a stop, and you can see that the RAM usage is very bare. You can see 257 megabytes of RAM used, so it is just negligible. And I hope that was interesting. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and share it to many people as possible. Yeah, then cheers!